Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking, and today I'm going to share about one important tips to you, like how I have built my habit of uploading videos every day and doing the English practice. So that is what most important to everyone's life. So that is why I am going to speak on these topics, because habits are something which we need to build if we want to succeed in life, and we need to understand that we have some sort of very limited energy, and for that for basically that energy we need to spend on the things which we need to basically achieve. So for that only I just try to upload at least one video in a single day, because there are a lot of other things which I do, and there is no result of that. But yeah, I always try to basically upload one, do one thing which is going to give me a exponential basically return. So yeah, that's why I upload video every day. And if I talk about like improving your day, improving yourself in 1% in a single day, it will like improve in a year 365%, right? So 365 percent you are going to improve in a single say day, single year basically. So that is my basically benchmarks for this year. And for basically getting the result, I try to actually build habits which make you to basically stick on the plan which you have built in your initially days. And so yeah, habits are something which we need to focus on. So as in my life there is particularly habits, because of that I'm able to basically stick to my plans. Basically you need to find out why you are doing that particular thing. And so my agenda is particularly clear, that I just want to help people who's over basically want to learn something in their life or related to English. So yeah, I can show them basically that if a person make a clear will regarding like achieving something, so he can basically achieve that without having some sort of person in their life. Just start believing in himself and start working on his goals. So in a one day basically he will get. So I'll basically upload video every single day related to the English language. So if somebody is looking forward to basically learn this language, so he can subscribe to my channel. And there are multiple videos which are uploaded, and you can see like a journey of a person basically who's want to basically excel in English language. But there's some sort of difficulties we face in day-to-day life. But if we start thinking that we cannot able to do it, so how can basically we can do it? Basically self-doubt which you need to remove in your life after believing in yourself. So that is one most important part, because it's basically have a solid side effect in your personality, because there are a lot of people who want to do that, but still because of having self doubt they cannot able to do it. And because of the fear as well, that is the most important part. And so start basically counter your fear, because that is most important part. Because fear is something which narrow your thinking, narrow your action, and narrow your basically the things which you are looking for. So this is very important part, and so that's why I am talking about this thing in this video. And habits which makes you basically do the things without thinking anything, because always we are thinking something like people, how like people react to your videos, or how basically they are going to think that. But in real life that doesn't matter. a lot, because there is no one who is going to have some sort of time to basically express his energy towards you, because every person is busy on himself. So yeah, if somebody is giving a negative energy or some sort of comments, basically he is giving to himself because he is not able to do that. So that is how the things works in real life, and there is some sort of motivational things which I want to express myself in this video. So that's why I just basically express myself. And in the upcoming videos I'm going to upload videos on the cue cards. So stay with me till the end of this journey basically. Bye bye, have a good day.